Hey everyone, this is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATVMC giving you a closer look at the new 29-inch Terrabite from Tusk. Today we are talking to all you RZR owners out there. If you have a RZR that came with the stock 29x9 and 29x11 inch tires, and you're looking to upgrade the tires on your machine, but you want to keep your stock 14-inch rims, then these tires are exactly what you are looking for. These are designed to fit your stock 14-inch rims perfectly. We know there's a lot of riders out there that want to get a better performing tire than what comes stock, but maybe they don't want to spend the extra money on wheels right now. They like their stock wheels, or maybe you like the offset that you have on your machine right now and you don't want that to change. Or maybe the scenario that you find yourself in is you don't want to change the height of your machine because you're loading these into a toy hauler or an enclosed trailer and you want to keep it the same. If that's you, then these are perfect. So these stock rims that came off an XP1000, the front rim is actually 6 inches wide bead to bead, and the rear is 8 inches. And most aftermarket wheels are 7 inches wide front and rear. So if they're 29x9 and 29x11 14, you're keeping everything essentially the exact same, but you're getting our most popular, best-selling tire that is proven and outperforms a stock tire in every way. Now, if you're not too familiar with the Terrabite, we're going to point out some of the features that make this such a great tire. Now, as many of you know, we are side-by-side enthusiasts here at Rocky Mountain, and we actually designed the Terrabite right here. We know what it takes to make a really good all-terrain tire, so we took all of our experience and we used that to build this. This is an 8-ply radial tire. While building this, we went through a lot of iterations of different carcasses. We tried a lot of different tread compounds to get the best blend of performance as well as durability. A lot of different tread designs to try and maximize the performance, whether you're out west in the desert, the rocky conditions, the slick rock, or maybe the wooded trails. This tire just performs really well everywhere. You've got a tread pattern that performs, looks good, rides smooth on hard surfaces, and has excellent wear characteristics. If that's what you're after in a tire, you've got to check out the Terrabite. Again, this is one of our most popular, best-selling tires year after year. So if you have stock rims on your XP or on your RZR, and you're looking to upgrade your tires and keep everything the same, these are the best tire for you. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. And also, if maybe you are looking to pick up tires and wheels, take advantage of our tire and wheel package builder. What that allows you to do is pick up the wheels and the tires that you want, and we will mount them up and we will give you free shipping on those. So it's a great way to get all the tires and wheels you want and to save some money. Orders over $75 ship free. Make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you like this product spotlight and you want to see more just like it. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.